Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about friends Oppo phone setting, and today friends I will show you guys how to reset Wi-Fi setting. Friends, you want to reset your phone Wi-Fi setting. So how to reset Wi-Fi setting today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how to reset Wi-Fi setting on Oppo mobile. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click on phone additional setting. After on friends additional setting, friends you want to change your phone language. Friends you want to set date and time, so you can set from here. Friends you want to on OTG connection, so when you can on Oppo phone OTG connection from here friends. Friends click on last option backup and reset. Friends you want to backup my data on. Friends you want to new backup my data, you can on from here. Friends click on factory reset, erase all data. Click here. Friends you want to reset your Wi-Fi settings, so friends click here and friends you can reset your Wi-Fi setting from here guys. After 4 and 5 seconds friends your setting will reset, and friends now friends you can connect a network on your phone. Friends open your Wi-Fi again on your Wi-Fi, then refresh your Wi-Fi setting. Which network friends you want to connect guys, select a network and friends enter password. Guys tap here friends, you can see Wi-Fi will connect without any problem. So like that friends we can reset Wi-Fi setting guys. After that friends we can connect network and we can use friends Wi-Fi on Oppo phone device guys. So like that friends you can reset guys your Wi-Fi setting on your Oppo phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. I hope friends you understood how to reset Wi-Fi setting. So bye guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. Now you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye guys.